Hello everyone. Today we have also another Power BI tutorial which we are going to focus on the transformation or data cleaning in the Power BI. So this is the Excel file what we have. You can see that there are customer ID, prefix, name, some first name, last name, and date of birth. And here it's showing the marital status, gender, and this email address for that person, and that the annual income and some other columns are here. So just we will go to bring this data to the Power BI, and then we will use the transformation. So here is the Power BI. Just go to data, get data, and then click on the Excel file. File is in a CSV format, so I have to go to change this. CSV, you can text in CSV, you can link from here, and then the file is this this transformation. Just go and click open. And this is the data here. Just go to click on the transform data. We are not going to load this one, we will just go to use the transformation before loading that. So the data is looking perfect. Some missing values here we have. You can see that here customer key, prefix, first name and last name. So from here you can see that if you have to make a full name from here, so just we will select this one, and then if you want to go to transform, okay, and then you don't have to combine or concatenate here, same like Excel. Here we will go to merge column, this option, and then separator. It's asking what is the separator. So here we have a colon, a comma, equal sign. So in our case we will keep the space in between the name, and then it's, so once we merge here, you can see that it's merged here, and then our original columns are gone. So the name and everything is looking perfect, but problem is that if you go here back, one step back, you will see that this name was there. So if you want to keep this one also and want to add new column, just go to delete this, merge column, so it will back to the original format. Select all these three columns, and then go to add column, and again go to merge column. So before we did from the transform tab, now we are going to the add column, and then we will add the new column. Again we will go to choose the space, merge column. Okay, you can see here nothing happened, but if you move to the end, you can see that it's already. Just go to rename this full name, and then you can move it here. So in this case you will have the original all the first name, last name and prefix, and then full name also. This is the new. Next, in the birth date, you can see that the entry is not constant. It's not same in all the rows. It's different. So If you want to change this one, just select this, and then we will go to transform again, and here is that format. Here we will go to replace value, okay, this type, and then the value field you will go to type. You want to replace and then in this case you can see that all the value became in the same format. So we have to split this birth date in the date, month and year format. So you can see the first entry is in the month, and then date, month, day and year. You can see that 2/15, so February 15, 1968 is this one. So we will go to transform, and then we will go to a split by delimiter, and then you can see the each occurrence we can split here. So here you can see that this month is up to 12, so this is the month, and this is day. Double click and you can rename it. So this is year. For here you can see that all the names are in capital letter. So if you want to change this one, you can go to format here, transform and format, and then you can go and change to lowercase. Even you can go to change to uppercase, or if you want to capitalize each word, you can see that this is the proper way. Here one more thing I see, there is some space here. Some additional space, I think it's here or not. Okay, this leave it. If there is a space, you can do it. You can apply the go to format, and then you can apply trim, so it will trim. Yeah, there was something. You can see that, and then after trim, yes, this is adjusted, so this is okay. Now next we will go to here M and S. It's not making any sense for metal status. So if you want to provide more specific, some like a name, married or single, it will be look better. So how you can do it, just select this column and you can go in replace value M, and you can type here like M for you can type married. So you can see that you replace the value. Once again we will go and change S to single, and now this is okay. Same if you want to keep the male female MF in the same format, you can do it, or you can keep as it is. Okay, next we will go to the email address, and here we have to just extract the username from here. So how you can do it, just go to select this column, and this time we want to keep this email address. So what we will do, we will not use the transform tab, we will go to add column, and then from here we will go to extract this one. So go to extract, and then text before delimiter, we choose this, and this time what you need, here you can see that we have some 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 index number before the @ here more, and here somehow less more. I mean, this is not the accurate. So in this case, just what is that @ before we have to extract that. So go to extract text before delimiter, and delimiter is @ and if you click OK, you can see that all the usernames are extracted from here. Just go and bring it here. So the username is this. This is the username, and here you want to extract the domain name from all the email address. So again, just select this email address and go to extract, and this time we will go to choose the text between delimiters, because the domain name is always coming from the @ to the up to .com. So what we have to choose is start is @ and end is dot or .com, you can write, and then click OK. So, and here you can see that we extracted the domain name also from this email address. So like this, we already extracted and transform our data to a meaningful format. So now just you will go to close and apply. There are 3 options: close and apply, and close. If you will apply, that will be loaded in the Power BI, but this Power Query still will be open. So just go and open, close and apply. And then you can see the data is loading here. And you can see the table inside the Power BI. Thank you for watching.